Hi, welcome to our channel. If you still not have subscribed our channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about our latest videos. We are going to tell you about an Android app that guides you about computer shortcut keys that enhance your speed and make your work easier. So let's start with the video and see how it works. Open Google Play Store on your mobile. Search the app Computer Shortcut Keys. Here is the app. Install this app. It has 1 million downloads. Accept. Let's read more about this app. Computer Shortcut is an educational application provide many shortcut tricks so that you can increase your work speed. You can use keyboard shortcuts instead of mouse. It makes your work easier to interact with your computer and save your time. Categories of shortcut keys. Basic shortcut keys: Windows, Mac, NotePad++, Tally, MS Word, MS Paint, MS Excel, Access, PowerPoint, Outlook, DOS, Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Adobe PhotoShop, Illustrator, Dreamweaver, Flash, PageMaker, Color Mode, Chat Symbol, and others. App is installed. Now open it. Shortcut keys. General. Here it shows the key and its purpose. General Basic, Mac, Windows, MS Excel, Notepad++, Word, Paint, Access, PowerPoint, Outlook, DOS, Tally, Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, Photoshop, Illustrator, Dreamweaver, Flash, PageMaker, Color Code, Chat Symbol. So you see there are many shortcut keys that helps you to make your work easier. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.